Portafilter tamped and ready. Time to brew. Bring the portafilter up to the group head and align the spout with the insert mark. Slide it upward, then rotate clockwise until the handle reaches lock. You'll feel it seat firmly. The group head is now sealed and ready. Unlike most espresso machines, the Marenza's portafilter sits at a slight angle, not straight out from the panel. It opens up the space around the grinder and dosing area, so grinding, tamping, and locking in all feel more natural. Place a cup under the spout. For this tutorial, we'll select Espresso Single, the standard single shot, and the best starting point for getting to know your machine. Turn the brew dial to Espresso Single and press it to start. Watch the LED display. You'll see the pressure climbing in bars and elapsed time counting up. What you're looking for is the sweet zone, 6 to 12 bars. That's where the ideal extraction happens. If you're in that range, everything is working exactly as it should. The machine stops automatically once it reaches your preset volume. You'll see espresso flow from the spout, dark, rich, with a layer of golden crema on top. That's your first espresso from the Marenza. Take a moment to look at it. Crema intact, color deep brown. If it looks right, it almost certainly tastes right too.